Hi guys, sorry about the crazy hair, and I'm also stuffing my face with lunch before we go. We are outside Dr Roberts Waterhole and Underground Creek, so 2 walks available. Dr Roberts says it's about a 30-minute return, 1.2 k's, and Underground Creek says 1.5 hours with 2k return. 2.8, beg your pardon, thanks love. So again, we are in Girraween National Park, and yeah, 2 reasonably, what are they regarded, easy walks? Yep. So let's go explore. So the cloud covers come over, and that's very nice, because boy howdy, it can get hot, which will then increase your water intake, so keep that in mind. No water out here, not potable, so do make sure that you bring with you, all travelling families should by rights have a 10-litre water container in the back of the car at all times, so it's something that we don't really have to think about. When we know we're heading out hiking, we just refill the bottles and out we go, and we know we've got water there when we return as well. So all right, here we go. I mean, this one is a baby. So from that sign I just showed you, this is 1.2k. Now, so far you could easily do this with a pram. And this one could easily be fit in the same day as Granite Arch if you were just doing the arch because you were trying to make it child friendly. And nice and enjoyable, and have some rock pools etc. with the Granite Arch one, and then come out here and get to check out Underground Creek. So yeah, definitely a great duo if you've got small kids. There are a few sections that have these steps in them, but definitely enough to get a pram down without too much trouble so far. Very easy walk, this one. Child carrier would be better than a pram, I must admit. But, oh, get the energy out of them and make them walk. This is very relaxing. There's beautiful bird life. Heard some really nice bird calls. So millions and millions of years of weathering has caused the rocks to fall, creating a wave. That's fallen down and covered the creek, hence the name Underground Creek. Standing underneath the wave, where all the rocks have tumbled down, you can just hear the water pumping underneath. as we make our way back. Beautiful granite outcrops. Okay, so as we make our way back to the T-junction where we began, see, 1.2 to underground, which is we've just got back from. Great opportunity to discuss erosion, granite, rock types, underwater or natural water systems. Yeah, fantastic. Now we are off to Dr. Roberts Waterhole. Nice and close. Just saw a soldier's ant's nest. Don't go playing with those guys. They'll give you a nice nasty nip. The waterhole bears the name of Dr. Spencer Roberts. Wildlife and visitors today benefit from the legacy of his wisdom and vision of National Park in this area. He was a medical practitioner in Stanthorpe during the 1930s. It was a self-professed garden of local superb lyrebird and common wombat populations. So it's from people like that that we still get to enjoy these wonderful places today. So thanks, Dr. Roberts. So as we head back, I can confirm, definitely pram, like off-road pram friendly. Definitely nice even track. So if there's any elderly or disabled, you shouldn't have too much trouble. And yeah, this one, Dr. Roberts Waterhole, is very calm, very, not strenuous at all, and a nice quick one if you haven't got a lot of time to enjoy Girraween. Very nice. So there you have it. That was Underground Creek and Dr. Roberts Waterhole. Now we're heading back to Sexy Beast and we'll head back to our camp, ready for another adventure.